more difficult to cook outside than I anticipated. So. But this should do well. Oh, and what I forgot was to spray my pan with oil. So let's do that real quick. So it's okay if your oats end up being a little clumpy, because we're going to break it up after it cooks. And then we'll store it in a container. You can tell if you have enough honey and oil because it won't be too dry looking when you're looking at the granola itself. Okay, so we're going to spread this out in our pan. Try to smooth it and even it out a little bit. And if you were baking it in the oven, you would want to stop every so often, like you would want to set a timer and stir it maybe every 15 minutes or so. But we're going to try a new adventure. Put it in the car. So, let's take a trip outside real quick. Hopefully I don't drop this. Car has a nice big dashboard, so I thought that would be perfect. It's actually super hot in here anyway, so I'm just gonna put that kind of in the middle there. It's pretty hot in there already, even though it's morning time. So we'll let that go ahead and cook there for a few hours. In the meantime, let's go try it. That's a quick treat. Make some quick ice cream sandwiches. I have cookies that are already made. Oops, let's see if I can put the camera back on. There we go. Okay. For this, I have some chocolate chip cookies and some whipped topping, and this is not probably so healthy, but should be tasty. And a little ice cream. So today I'm using strawberry. It should be nice and colorful. And I actually let it set out a little while ago so it's soft. I'm going to put a scoop of ice cream and then a scoop of whipped topping. Oops. You could use the spray whipped cream in the can if you have it, or you could make your own if you like. Going to be pretty good, I think. Not super neat, but it should be super tasty. So enjoy. Thank you so much for joining us today. Please like and subscribe and share, and tune into our next video to see how our granola turned out. Feel free to leave any suggestions in the comments, and thank you. Have a great day.